Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting high-quality audio and a simple template so you can work fast. Use an automated engine to generate a first pass and immediately flag low-confidence segments. Once done, open your template with timestamps every 30 seconds and assign speaker labels before detailed editing. This reduces rework and keeps timing consistent. Make sure to note jargon or names for later verification. Doing this now saves time when you start the heavier editing steps. Now you focus on cleaning the transcript. You do a rough pass to fix obvious errors, then a detailed line-by-line edit to catch grammar and context. This two-pass method balances speed and accuracy. Use hotkeys and play at slightly slower or faster speeds to maintain flow and mark uncertain words for later verification. Once that is done, cross-check names and technical terms against source materials, so your transcript reflects the correct terminology and meaning rather than just literal audio. Finish by exporting in the required formats and running a final QA pass where you read sections aloud while listening to the recording. This catches timing and sense errors. Once complete, convert timestamps to the requested format and check file encoding. If you hit persistent errors, garbled audio, or misattributed speakers, zoom into those segments and retranscribe them manually, then reinsert. A key troubleshooting tip: if automated output fails repeatedly, split the file into smaller clips and reprocess. That isolates noise and improves accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.